A screw turbine, also known as a screw generator, is a generator based on the principle of using the flow of water to generate electricity. Its working mechanism is that the water flow from high place to low place will pass through the blades of the screw turbine to rotate the screw. This rotation will be transmitted to rotate the motor, and thereby generate electric current. The screw turbine consists of two basic parts, the mechanical part and the electrical part. In this video, Modern Creative will detail the manufacturing process of the mechanical part of the screw turbine. Screw turbines come in a variety of sizes, depending on how much water will flow through the turbine. Although the complexity of each size type of screw turbine is different, the basic manufacturing process still includes the steps of plate cutting, spiral bending, and connection welding. After the screw turbine parts are manufactured, they are transported to the construction site for installation. Here, the power plant has been built and everything is ready. Screw turbine parts including screw turbine, rotor, solder will be installed. After installation, the performance of the screw and generator will be subjected to acceptance testing to ensure they meet design standards. In addition to screw turbines, another technology that is also frequently used to generate electricity from the flow of water is Francis Turbine. Next, Modern Creative will take you to visit the Francis Turbine factory of Ebco Industries Ltd, headquartered in Canada. Here we will see firsthand the production and installation of the Francis Turbine with a capacity of 8.5 megawatts. Ebco is a large Francis turbine manufacturing company in Canada, which has large and modern machinery and equipment. Therefore, we can see that the production process takes place very quickly and smoothly.